Let's go, baby!
Boots broom on Miley. When I pop out like a light.
Are you good, bro? Mini Monday, it's mini Monday, it's mini Monday, and I just like to say, hey, 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 hey. Today we are out here on Shire. This is Mini Monday, so most dudes are all Groms. There's a few big bikes in here, but a lot of time it's smaller bikes. And I'm on an 85 two-stroke. I'm the only two-stroke I've seen all day. Hopefully I see another, but as of now, the pack is relying on me to tune this thing. We gotta speed up. Wow, cut me off, come on. We met playing Warzone. And now we're riding dirt bikes in Shire. What's a puppy?
Why you trying to get the man's up? Love it when you dance on me. Now they all got their hands on. Wonder why they hands on me. Girlie, why you tripping? Why you trying to get the man's out?
Hell yeah.
Wrist round like a dog for the pesos. Make nap, quarterback with the bass going. Chris Paul snatch back for the
Yo,
ankles.
to my surprise, we got another two-stroke in the pack. What's up, man? Oh, another two-stroke right here. I'm tripping.
Lift up when I'm not on the fake. Excuse me, I had the plans. If you don't want them, then let's go make a movie. Anyway, you tripping, I ain't trying to.
Oh, that's a big bump.
Like a NASCAR, running up the digits, I just turned into a track star. I got 2 goals on the floor like a mascot. And I know getting hoes still a bastard. And I know I ain't know where to go. A sideshow, then it's somewhere to go. Like, ooh, we gotta go fast.
There we go.
I got foot on the gas.
What the f are you doing? Are you kidding me? I gotta go! Did he keep it up? No way.
Wonder why they hands on me. Girlie, trying to get the man's out. Love it when you dance on me, but only go down if you say so. Wrist drown like a dog for the pesos. Make nap, quarterback with the bass go. Chris Paul snatch back for the ankles. Lift up when I'm not on the fake go. Gotta get it right, don't stop, let's keep it moving. They come easy while you assuming. And I know your girl, she want me, she be Friday nervous. And I know she want this lifestyle, it seems so perfect. Is you down to risk it all, cause it just might be worth it. But mom know that I'm the one, you can stop searching. Huncho, he want the money and the new roses.
Do the wheelies for the dudes locked up. Give him that tune game.
They never switch lanes. How many times I've been done? Yo, they know me so, got their hands on.
Oh, Seabear's showing me up. Oh, he's tuning that thing like it's a two-stroke. He's swerving it too. Seabear stunts.
Race round like a dog for the pesos. Make nap, quarterback with the bass going. Chris Paul snatch back for the ankles. Lift up when I'm not on the fake go.
No way, is there a f***ing racetrack up here? Oh my god. You gotta be f***ing kidding me. Back row? Man.
I got the bag.
Oh no! Oh jeez! So you know what? I'm gonna consider that W. Victory lap, baby. Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Are you good, bro? Damn. He could have slid out and hit me if that got worse. Jesus. How you doing, man? Yeah? Stay where you are. Oh! Oh, I'm having too much fun, baby. Get up!
Gurney, why you tripping? Why you trying?
Yes. The ride's leaving. I'm still putting my belt on. I just took a piss. We're gonna have to play catch up to the pack. Oh, on the highway. All right. Let's go, baby. Woo!
This shit is way more than dreams. This shit is way more than me. Gotta do this all for my team. No wonder they hating on me. It's cause they never believe. These are things that I pray before sleep. Wanna watch so much news upon me. Why you acting like a stranger towards me? Like then we go to the gym. Told you this shit gon' get better. Time flew now, shit got worse. Then no how tradition would work. No kids all stone me weather. They ain't even try to know me.
Homie's killed it on that monkey. Oh my goodness, this is insane. The fact that someone exists, they saw this bike, they said, I've never seen someone wheelie that before. And then they just get it, and they kill it. Yeah, bro.
Just know I'm a young go-getter. Always keep a bad bitch as my header. Little bitch, I love all of my slides. Little bro, I got you, no lie. If it ever goes down, I'm gon' slide. I'ma always break bread with mine again. Nah, I ain't gon' stress about these bitches. On my grind till I make a couple figures. Turn it up, I got codeine in my liver. Double cup, got me breaking down some switches. So no love, don't know who be out to get you. On the grudge when I'm on to something bigger. When I'm gone, yeah, I want them to remember that I put them on all without a lecture. See, I gotta leave you on the stretcher. Thinking that nigga soft, but I'm clever. Have you running all your sauce from that Beretta? Leave your body like a stone, no Rosetta. This is just way more than dreams.
Oh no, a parking garage? No way. I'm wheeling up this whole bitch. I got to. Oh, it ain't a parking garage. Good thing the lights are off because I don't have a headlight or tail light. Oh.
Knocking, boots broom on Miley. When I pop out like lightning, polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman, killed that. In the AM going real fast. UK honey at the drill that bonds me. Bailed out, no conflict. Might have said I love her, but I never made it.
There she goes. What?
I'm sick.
Funny as shit. I'm trying. Oh, that doesn't look too safe.
I've been down to 10 bucks. IRS kept track for 10 months. At the switch, I went about it. Dues paid, collected all the loose change that I.
Oh, I just f***ing my knee, yo. Oh, not bad at all. Okay, so it goes right into the street. Genius. What have I done in my life to end up being on a KX85 on a skate bar with a bunch of groms about to hit a jumperee?
And get the D done. They expected me to switch when I receive love. Gotta let the marathon run its natural course. I can feel the force. Knocking, boots broom on my when I pop out like lightning. I can feel the force. Knocking, boots broom on Miley. When I pop out like lightning. Polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman. Kept that in the